with the value of cash diminishing worldwide, what happens to the value of the policies and the possibility of a cashless system being implemented worldwide scale? Will this system or this process still work?
Absolutely. So the insurance carriers, at least the ones that we work with, they don't maintain, they don't have vaults with cash on hand. All of that money is being put to work in tangible assets. And so if currency changes, the medium of exchange changes, whatever that may be, then that tangible value is still there. And remember, the policy is a unilateral binding contract. So the insurance company assumes 100% of the risk to fulfill those legally binding contractual guarantees. And so, it's important for us to focus on what we can control. And in this particular case, our money must reside somewhere. And so I'm not concerned at all if we move to a cashless society. The insurance company is not hoarding cash anyway. So that's not a concern to a participating policy owner.